Hi friends, greetings from Rotary International. When we talk about a Rotary, you might be wondering that what this Rotary is. We would like to tell you that it's an organization which has been serving to the mankind and the humanity for last 115 years plus. Our main motto is doing good in the world. If you really like to know that how the Rotary doing good, the first thing which we all of us, all Rotarians, we feel proud that we are the main body who has been taken a lot of initiative for last 30 years to eradicate polio from this earth. Yes, we are to some extent successful to eradicate this polio, but till now the final push is there in some part of the world. But we're happy to say that, to commit and complete this commitment, we have been taken more than 30 years and simultaneously we spent more than $2 billion worth of money to take out this polio from this earth. But we didn't stop simultaneously only to eradicate polio. We have been spread over for the lot of humanitarian projects, starting from healthcare, the shelter kits, and different vocationals and other projects from the different parts of the world. Our Rotary movements starts from North America not only, it goes to the Europe, Africa, Asia, and the Far East also. There are more than 1.2 million Rotarians been continuously working to the service above self and continuously supporting this art to see that it's another better place to live. We have not only done the humanitarian projects, the Rotary's peace projects are also one of the equal and encouraging projects, and Rotary Peace Scholars and the Peace Fellows have been spread over all over the world. By telling this, we would like to give you a little bit glimpses of the local Rotary, that in India there are 40 districts in Rotary out of 538 worldwide. Out of that, we belong to a district 3142. We have 3,500 Rotarians and we do and worth of projects in a year not less than 25 to 30 crores. And in addition to that, within our Rotary Foundation Trust, we put not less than 3 to 4 crore per year, and we do an equal amount of another project from the Rotary Foundation, directly 3 to 4 crore project in this vicinity by means of check dam, improvement of schools, hospitals, and there are a lot of other philanthropic projects. We wish that you take little bit interest about the Rotary and about the Rotary's work in this vicinity. And one of the most interestingly, I would like to tell you that we are only 3,500 Rotarians in this vicinity, but in last 10 years, only the check dam, which we have worked with the government itself, and we have made more than 430 check dams in this vicinity in last 10 years, which is costing not less than 15 to 20 crores. So by telling this, we request you to visit our website called www.rotary.org and to other websites to know about us more, take more interest, extend your arm with us, do better for this world as well as in this area, and please do join us in this benevolent movement. Thank you once again and bye for now.